crazy.
Three. 1, 2, 3. And they're off.
Oh, Lord.
Double R already got 2 now. 2 more races is a done deal. There you go. Oh, there you go. Took him out. Oh, boy, we almost stopped it. Double R, you got a lot of catching up to do. He on his feet. You good. Keep going. Appreciate that, Tim. Lad out. Look like the Losi. Lad out. Losi. The Losi. There go the red cat. Oh, the red cat. Oh, stop. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, look like Losi didn't even, didn't got him one. Losi didn't got him one. Losi 1, double R 2. Losi 1, double R 2. Losi 1, double R 2. Y'all ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold up. Now keep going, keep going. Keep going.
They had to clip me.
Yeah, we got Rattle out there in the front, baby. Rattle out there in the front. If you can hold it in the road. Hold it in the road.
Go.
Oh, that's it. You going way too wide. Oh, did double off flip. Still got a chance. What is lap 2?
Yeah. Lap 2.
Lad out, double R. He on you. You got it. You got it right. You got a top end. You got a top end. It's a good race. Oh, you turned way too early. Way too early. Double R for the win. Y'all ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3.
I'm trying to take something by the eye.
Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Y'all ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold it, hold it. God damn, Derek. You gonna do Drew Hills all night. Y'all ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3. Where the hell is Rattle going? You gotta put some grippier tires on that, Rattle. Them tires ain't got no traction. Fighting for it. And they took you out double R and made you go back around the cone again. Yeah. Y'all remember, man, it's free race, man. Don't cheat the cones, bro. That's good. That's good sportsmanship there, double R. Last lap for Rattle. Last lap for Rattle. Can he hold it? Can he hold it? Can he hold it?
Oh, got to be more.
He didn't LVC.
Show him who your dad is, double R. That's the last lap, ain't it?
Yeah. That's it. All right, so 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3. And they're off. They're rubbing. They ain't rubbing, it ain't racing. He on his feet so they can keep going. Oh, stop. Man on his back, man on his back.
Dang.
Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. You LVC. You LVC. I told you to change your battery. I told you to change your damn battery, bro. Got a dead body on the track.
I'm about to grab it. There you go.
Rattle done tried to find his swag a little bit. He ain't taking the turns too wide no more.
Yeah.
He coming.
Got to be more.
You LVC'd again? Double R.
Use battery here.
For the used battery. Another up. It look like double lock on. Take the first ring home. Like double lock on. Take the first ring home.
Double lock said appreciate that, y'all. He said thank you.
We like double lock on. Take the same. Take the first ring. Double R for the win. Double easy for the breezy. Yes, sir. Red Cat Valkyrie wins the 10th scale. I mean, yeah, is this a Valkyrie? Yes, Valkyrie. Valkyrie MT. Valkyrie MT buggies, 8th scale buggies. Come on, man, get your ring, bro.